Our final speaker for day one is a woman recognized as one of India's top 30 most powerful women in impact by business today. Geeta Goel is the country director for India at Michael and Susan Dell Foundation and manages the foundation's operations in India across education, livelihoods, and financial inclusion. The foundation has committed over $150 million in India already. She's also on the Council of Governors at Aspire Circle and a community leader at IFP's BFSI Financial Inclusion and FinTech Community. Please welcome Geeta Goel.
Climate change, growing and stark inequalities, COVID 19, the blatant discrimination amongst humans on account of race, color, religion. Yes, things are bad and they can get better. The time to act is now. However, this time we need to take an approach that's different from the past. We need to anchor our approach around collaboration between the market or the corporates, the government, and the civil society or philanthropy. We need to shift the focus from shareholders to stakeholders. How do we make this shift happen? Yes, we need platforms like the Impact Future Project, where we can get large scale, action oriented, forward looking players from all three dimensions of the market, government, and philanthropy to come together in a collaborative way and seed ideas and scale ideas to change things in a sustainable way. If we take the example of financial services in India, we've already seen a couple of disruptions in the market, especially which bring about more equitable access. Yes, in early 2000, our microfinance market was less than 500,000 customers. It was primarily funded by philanthropy or small amounts of impact capital. Once the concept of microfinance in a sustainable way was proven, we saw private capital coming in and also triggered by enabling policy changes and government support like priority sector lending or the setting up of SIDBI, NABARD, etc. The market today is a 50 million customer base. Yes, it's only happened because the three players played a role in this market development. We've seen Aadhaar and India Stack bring about another wave of disruption in the market. Today, digital transactions are much easier, much more accessible than they were in the past. The cost of accessing a low income customer, the cost of servicing a small ticket size loan is much lower than in the past. Yes, we have a demand base, an addressable demand base of more than $500 billion in the micro and small enterprise segment in India. We are not servicing this. Why not? Because we don't have data on these customers, we don't know how to reach these customers, and the lenders are risk averse because these customers may not have a formal credit history. So, what is the disruption that can happen? Yes, we need action on two fronts. One is an expedited and easy digitization process for this customer base. And two, we need guarantee mechanisms to allow lenders to lend to this segment in a risk mitigated way. We need to support the market to service this customer segment. And both these efforts on digitization and guarantees can be done in an innovative way using creative structures funded by government, philanthropy, impact capital, as well as market capital. We just need to make the first few steps, and this market can actually be serviced in a financially viable, large scale way.